Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be unboxing Shoe and Sprizon toy. It is from McDonald's and this is really cool toy. Alright, so let's open it. Here, we'll use, wait, is it already open right here? No. Sometimes it's hard to open these, so I'm going to try to use a Lego. This right here. I don't think it will work, but it might. And almost ready. Here, guys, let me open it. Oh, wait. Is there... Oh, wait. I almost got it. Whew. I don't know why. Wait, there we go. I found the hole. Found it. All right, opening it, and whoa. And it comes with a Sprizon Requiem. Let's try to open this now. There should be like a lever or a flap lift thing. But this is cool. And then this, it says shoe. Shoe, it's really cool. And then on the back, you can clip it to your side, to like your pants or something. Pants, jeans, anywhere. Let's try to open this. There's so much things to open. But this is easier because it's smaller. Sprizon Requiem, which you can hand spin too. But here's how it works. Let's see. So the directions say the first step is to put put Sprizon into that little hole. And I'm guessing it's this. You put Sprizon into the hole and you push it down till it clicks. Then after that, you push right here. It says push that thing, so that's probably this. Then the second step is so then you push it, and then watch. Sprizon comes out. Ready? Watch. And Sprizon is there. And it only works on flat ground, sadly. You can battle it with like putting walls on something, like walls. But it doesn't work in like a curve, like an actual Beyblade arena. But this Sprizon Requiem's cool. Let's try it again. Well, thanks guys for watching, and I'm pretty sure there is more of these Beyblades. Make sure to like and subscribe on this video. Like this video, subscribe to my channel. Also, go check out MacBurst, and I'll see you guys in another video. Bye!